Okay, we've left planet X. Now we are on planet Z. Okay, so we've got a rock, and we drop it from rest. We have rock from rest, and we go meow, and then it hits the surface of planet Z. All right. Yeah, let's figure this out. So initially, it has a velocity of 0. Final velocity, we don't know, and I think we don't care. The acceleration, normally we put 9.8, but we're on planet Z. We don't know what it is, but we're super curious and wish we did. How long does it take? 2 seconds. How far does it go? 8 meters. Anytime you have 3 numbers, you can solve for one of the other 2, or both of the other 2 if you want to. You need 3 numbers in a list like this, though. So with these kinematics equations. So we don't have final velocity, and we don't really care about final velocity. So we'll use this one. X equals v naught t plus. I gotta move my face. Here we go. Whoa! Every time. I will do that every time. X equals v naught t plus 1/2 at squared. X is 8. Initial velocity 0, which means all of that goes away. So we just have 1/2 at squared. T is 2, and we're also going to square it. 2 squared times 1/2. Don't go crazy fast and mess it up. Just take your time. Faster does not mean smarter. 2 squared is 4. Half of 4, that's 2. So 8 equals 2a. Divide both sides by 2. 4 equals a. I can totally see y'all going too fast and be like, acceleration's 2, or acceleration's 1, or it's 8, or 16, or like, calm down. Slow your roll. Slow your roll. Okay, it's 4. Okay. So that means that is what little g gravity is on this planet. But they're not asking. They're asking what is the mass. All right, so we know Fg near the surface equals mg. And when we're not near the surface, or I guess always, even when we're away from the surface, it's big G times m1 times m2 over r squared. Okay, we are hoping we have enough to solve for m2. Let's see. So the mass of the rock is 0.05. Little g we just said is 4. Big G is on your formula sheet. Hopefully on the high school one that I use, it is 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11. It might have a few more decimals or fewer decimals or something on the A&M one. I don't really know. M1, mass of the rock is 0.05. Mass of the planet, we don't know. That's an M. And then the radius of the planet is 4 times 10 to the 6. It is squared. If you missed this, probably you forgot to square it. Or you did something weird here. Okay, be really careful with your exponents and know your exponent rules. I don't know my exponent rules, so I just typed this in twice. Okay. If you are going to be an engineer and take a lot more of these classes, you should probably figure out your exponent rules. I teach high school physics, so I get along just fine without them. Okay, so we have one equation with only one unknown, that m, that means this is solvable. If we got down to one equation with 2 unknowns, that would be our sign that we need to keep looking and do something else. But at this point, we can punch them in our calculator. So I'm going to do 0.05 times 4. I'm going to divide by that 6.67 thing. I'm going to multiply by that thing in the denominator, so times 4e6 times 4e6. That's my lazy way of squaring things in denominators. Then divide by that 0.05, and we get 9. That rounds to 6. 9.6 times 10 to the 23rd. 23rd. I ran out, but you know what that is. It's B. Is that the right answer? Hold up. Hold up. It is B. We did it. Okay. Next question.